Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to create a zip file in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, let me just create a new text document here. So let me just do a right click here, go with new, and go with my text document. Okay? And let me just create a new folder as well. Let me just go with new and go with this one folder. Okay? And let me just move an example application, which is my VLC media player. So in order to create a zip file, you need to highlight all of the content that you would like to contain in your zip file. And once you have selected it, please do a right click, okay, and go with this option called show more options, and by that, wait until a small window would appear like this and go with send to and go with compressed zip folder. So please click on it, and in that way, you have just successfully created a zip file here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you can rename that, okay? You can rename that into my space files. Please click on enter. And there you have that. You have just successfully created a zip file in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.